Welcome to Xpertstec. In this video, I will explain how to create agent backup job on Veeam software using Veeam Backup and Replication Console. The backup job runs on the backup Windows server like virtual machine backup jobs. The backup job is for computers that are connected to the backup server. The Veeam Backup and Replication allows you to configure backup jobs for Microsoft Windows and Linux computers. In this section, you will learn how to create a Veeam agent backup job for Microsoft Windows computers. The Veeam agent for Microsoft Windows does not back up data to which indicative links are targeted. It just backs up the route information that the symbolic links include. We'll have a look how to do that. First of all, open Veeam Backup and Replication Console. On the Home tab, click Backup Job option. Select Windows Computer to start the new Agent Backup Job wizard. At the Job step of wizard, indicate protection settings for the backup job. In the menu, choose Windows Server to add the backup job standalone servers that have a lasting connection to the backup server. In the way list, select Managed by the backup server and then click Next. Once you set up an agent backup job, Veeam Backup and Replication records the job configuration to its database. Veeam Backup and Replication operates all management tasks for the Veeam agent backup job. At the name step of the wizard, type a name and description for the backup job and then click Next. At the computer's level, click on Add. Select the protection group, select Job and then click OK. Select individual computer, enter the host name or the IP address of the computer you want to add, then click OK. Click Next. At the backup mode step, select the entire computer and select Next. At the storage option of the wizard, select the backup repository where you need to store your backups. For the other settings, leave the default values and then click OK. At the guest processing step, leave the default settings and click Next. On the schedule step, define the scheduling settings for the job and then click on Apply. At the summary option, click the checkbox button where it says Run the job when I click Finish, and then click Finish. Your agent backup job number 1 completed successfully. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.